In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blind carbon copy BCC in Gmail Guide. Let's start right in your Gmail inbox. Once you're signed in, look for the Compose button, usually in the top left. Click it to open a new message window. In the Compose panel, place your cursor in the To field. This is where you add the primary recipients, the people you want to address directly. You can type one address at a time and press Enter, or separate multiple addresses with commas. Keep these to those who need to be clearly included in the conversation. Now let's reveal the BCC option. On the right side of the address area, you'll see links for CC and BCC. Click BCC to open a separate field. Here's what BCC does and why it matters. Anyone you put in BCC will receive the email, but their addresses will be hidden from everyone else. People in To and CC won't see who was BCC'd, and BCC recipients won't see each other either. This is ideal for protecting privacy when emailing a larger group or when you don't want a long reply all chain. Note that if someone hits reply all, BCC recipients are not included in that reply. Go ahead and add the addresses you want in BCC. Again, separate them with commas or add them one per line. Double-check spelling here. Address typos are a common cause of bounces. Next, move to the subject line. Keep it clear and specific so recipients immediately know what the message is about. A precise subject also helps with search later and can reduce the chance of your email being overlooked. In the main message area, write your email. Be concise and professional. Since BCC keeps recipients hidden, avoid language like "See everyone copied here," and instead write the message so it makes sense to each individual reader. If you're sending an announcement, state the purpose up front, add key details, and include any links or attachments you need. Before you send, take a moment to proofread. Confirm that the right people are in To versus BCC, that your subject matches the content, and that any attachments are actually attached. A quick review helps prevent misdirected messages and keeps your recipient's information private. When everything looks good, click Send. You'll see a brief confirmation in the lower left, and your message will appear in the Sent folder. That's it. Your email has gone out, and BCC has kept those addresses discreet. To recap, use To for primary recipients, CC for visibility, and BCC to protect addresses or minimize reply all clutter. With these steps, you can email confidently while respecting your recipient's privacy.